Hi everyone, welcome to Masterchefmom. Today I'm going to make a delicious Oats Idli, and just with 3 ingredients. I'll show you how. Come. So we are going to use quick cooking oats and idli rava for this. So first we are going to powder the oats, then we are going to mix it with idli rava and curd and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we are going to just add little bit of water, grease our idli molds, pour the batter, steam it, and our delicious oats idli will be ready within minutes. So first step, I'm going to grind the oats, but if you like the texture of oats, you can use it as is. Oats powder, idli rava, and then curd. So the important tip here is use the same bowl or katori which you are using for rava and oats. Same katori used for dahi. So if there is 1 cup of oats and 1 cup of rava, then we are going to use 2 cups of dahi. That is the tair, that is curd. So I am adding 2 cups of curd. We are going to mix it well. You can add little salt right now and mix it well. So you can see it's already nice and fluffy. So this batter does not require any fermentation. You can make it within 25 minutes. So I'm going to cover and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's check the batter. See, the rava has soaked up the dahi. We are going to adjust water quantity now. So we'll add using a tablespoon. I'm just going to add 1.5 tablespoons of water. The main point is we are going to add water little by little, because our idli batter should not be very flowy, should not be very thick. It looks like a regular idli batter now. So this is the consistency of the idli batter. Now to this we are going to add baking soda. You can also use ENO. I am using baking soda. Mix it. And immediately we are going to grease the idli plates and we are going to steam the idlis. So after adding the baking soda, don't allow it to sit for a long time. Immediately we are going to steam the idlis. So we are going to steam the idlis for around 10 minutes. Raghu, tell me how it is. Oats idli.
Wow, so soft, huh? Oh, it's too good. Just like regular idli, softer, actually tastier.
Yeah, and will you actually eat oats if I give you regularly, if I make and give you?
No.
So even if you don't like oats, I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. And the best part, it is gluten free. So do try out this recipe, share your feedback with me. I'm 100% sure your entire family is going to love it. So I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.